Workbooks will sometimes have tabs for different sets of data presented in the same structure. Monthly reports could have data for each month on a different sheet, or as in this case, sales transactions for different stores in each of the tabs. Each transaction has the cashier, receipt, and discount, followed by the items purchased and the total. The sheets for each of the stores follow the same structure. Now here we have the spreadsheet opened in Monarch Data Prep Studio's Worksheet Design interface. Templates have already been created using the first store. We have the detail template, append templates to capture the discount, receipt, and cashier, and a footer template for the total. As we saw earlier, we are working with data from 3 stores, all following the same structure. Notice that if we go to the other sheets, we also get hits from the existing templates, and the preview grid now has data from the particular store. With Data Prep Studio, we can easily capture the data from all 3 stores and load these into a single dataset, where we can then perform data preparation and analysis. We are given several options as to how to specify which sheets to work with. We can apply the templates to all worksheets, the first or last sheet, or we can select sheets by name or number. In our case, we want to work with all our sheets. We now have all our data in Data Prep Studio's Prepare interface. Next, we can add a metadata column for the sheet name. This makes it easy to distinguish what stores the transactions are from. Should we wish to exclude data from one of the stores, simply go into Edit in Worksheet Design. When prompted for which sheets to apply the templates to, let's exclude one of the stores, say Choco Paradise. Back in the Prepare interface, we now have data for just 2 stores, Widget Heaven and More Fun.